You've been cooking your mac and cheese wrong your entire life. Don't fuck it up. You're probably used to powdered Kraft dinner cheese. This is how you make the fucking sauce. Equal parts butter and flour. Kobe, that's a lot of butter. Yeah, I'm sure the McDonald's you eat 12 times a week is healthy as fuck. Once your butter is melted, you're gonna slowly incorporate the flour until it looks like this. This is called a roux. You're gonna slowly add in some milk. This is gonna turn it into a bechamel sauce. Till it looks like this. Now you're gonna add your Cheez Whiz. Just fucking kidding. You're gonna add Gruyere and sharp cheddar. When you add cheese into a bechamel, it turns into a Mornay. You've learned 3 fucking sauces and we haven't even got to the fun part. You're gonna melt the fucking cheese until it looks like this. Now we cook our pasta. Whatever the box says, cook it for 3 minutes less. I'm not using macaroni because it's too fucking small. So we're using cavatappi. It's these fucking things, and it's better. Salt your water. While that's boiling, we're gonna make some bacon. Cut your bacon into small cubes. But I don't eat bacon. Then don't fucking use it. You're gonna take your pasta. I hope you saved a little bit of water. Bacon with the oil. Grab some shredded mozzarella. Give this a good mix. Look how good this already looks. Japanese breadcrumbs. Parmigiano. You're gonna broil this for 2 minutes. And that's how you make a proper mac and cheese.